How should you react when the stock market is up and down all in 1 week? I'm so glad you asked. It's Lisa Ward here, the founder and CEO of Plum Financial. So, when I meet with new households and learn what kind of investor they are, what is your risk tolerance? It's a buzzword. It's basically how much can you stomach your portfolio going up and going down without calling me and freaking out going, Lisa, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to be doing? Well, there is a chart within my proposals that goes over the emotional cycle within the stock market. And we all understand buy low, sell high, meaning I go buy something at a garage sale or maybe an estate sale, zhuzh it up a little bit, say it's a piece of furniture. You paint it, update the hardware, and then you sell it for a profit. Well, the same thing goes for the stock market. We want to buy something on sale and then sell it when it goes up. But for some reason, when the stock market goes down, people freak out and they're like, oh my gosh, I've lost so much money. I'm like, well, actually you haven't, unless you've sold and locked in that loss. So if we are, we have retirement accounts and we're not needing to take money out of that account for 10 years, it's just the market value that has gone up and down. Same thing with your house. The house price, market price for your home might fluctuate over years, but you live there. You enjoy that house. You're not planning on selling it next week. You're not planning on selling it next year. So you don't really care what the market value is. You're enjoying that asset and it's potentially growing in value. In the future, when you do need to sell it for a profit, that's when we take a much greater focus on what is the market value, what do we need to get out of that asset. So it's a much different approach. So if we are stressed out about what's going on in the market, what does that mean for my investment portfolio? Remember, what is the purpose of that account? What is the timeline for that account? If we don't need the money right now, we don't need the money yesterday, we don't need it next week, we don't need it next month, breathe. You will be fine. It will be okay. But if you need a second set of eyes on that portfolio, please reach out. Let's talk about it. But let's not make emotional decisions based off of headlines, based off of doom and gloom, the talking heads on the TV. Let's think through, how does that affect you long term? If you did make a decision or make a change within your portfolio, because we don't want to lose out on what's on the on the next phase of what's going on globally, because odds are the stock market will bounce back and we'll be back to great things. So if you guys are interested in looking at your portfolio, getting that second set of eyes, please reach out and please let me know.